Hello, in today's video I will show you how to create a source box in Google Sheet. The first thing you have to do is create a table with data, then choose a cell for source box and give it a color and go to out borders, another cell, what you want, and type search. Now select a table, then go to format, conditional formatting. In format rules here choose custom formula, and here type this formula equal sign is number parenthesis and search parenthesis again. So here I want to give it the name of the source box here where I want to type anything. So F3 F3 and add a dollar symbol here and another one here, then comma. So here I want to search by last name or first name or department, or depends. So I want to search by last name. So the name of this column is A7. I want to add E7, A7, and add a dollar here, then two parentheses, go to fill color, choose what you want, for example this one, then click done. So let's test our application. Type anything here, for example Smith. As you can see, David, enter, Davis, TH, all name with TH, Thomas, just Thomas here, Johnson, John. I have one Johnson in the table. That's all for today. If you've enjoyed the content so far and you like to see more, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Subscribing to the channel helps support us and ensures that you never miss an update. But remember, subscribing is completely optional and it's entirely up to you. If you find the content valuable and want to be a part of our community, we'd love to have you on board. Thank you for your support.